Hi, Alvin Mark here, day 3 of Asia Link Sketch Walk. I am on my own today. I started the day really late because I was editing yesterday's work, which can be found right here. Press this button and you'll be able to see yesterday's highlights. Already I can see many people finishing their art pieces, so no pressure for me to find a spot to paint. Okay, that must be it. That looks like marzipan. You 是用油画还是水彩？哦，
我昨天在那个台湾大道那个什么太阳堂那里也一
对对对，现在有一个这个周末有一个速写的活动。I'm gonna let it dry for just a bit before I continue. In the meantime, I'm gonna head over to where the temple is. There are a couple of sketches out there. Let's go be a busybody and check out what they are up to. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Why you know? From Vietnam.
Ah, okay. Oh wow. Thank you. Thank you. Phong. Okay, I remember you. Thank you. Wow. Maybe Asia Link Sketch Walk will be in Hanoi next year. Yeah.
I hope so.
Một hai ba you.
Okay.
Come in. Oh, look at where's Ben? Oh, this must be yours.
No.
Yeah, Amber.
How did I get it here?
Yeah. What can I see what you're up to? You use gel pen?
Just a fine liner.
Okay, fine liner,
From there one to
watercolor and pencil.
and color pencils.
Color pencils, wow.
Yeah.
Very good. Is this the one that you're gonna submit?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
It depends how good it works.
Okay. Thank you. See ya. This is Chloe from Hong Kong. So intricate. Look at all the dragon. Wow. Alright, Alvin Mark here. We're done with this session. I'm gonna try to dash back to the train station. Hopefully I can find some small snack to pick up along the way because I am going into one of the workshops to film. I've been invited to by Vanon so we can experience what a workshop feels like here at Asia Link Sketch Walk. So see you back at the train station. Can I ask you guys a quick question? Is there something specific that you want to learn in this workshop?
How to use watercolor?
Yeah, me too.
Watercolor?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we hardly use
We
watercolor.
hardly use it.
Oh,
We want
okay.
to try it.
So it'd be better to like pick up some skills here.
我叫郭景怡，然后我从台北来的，
你几时来这边呢？
我今天早上来的，
几时回呢？
今天晚上要回去，
一天而已。
对，一天。
所以你特地来这边上Vanon的课？
对。
啊，为什么呢？
我在 Facebook 有看到他的画，然后我很喜欢他的风景，然后他的人像、他的动物，然后很多颜色，但是非常有深度，非常温暖，
I love the colors.
It looks everyone. I introduce myself. My name is Wan from Bangkok, Thailand. And I introduce my assistant, Bo. Bo.
So hi, I'm gonna be his translator. So he's gonna speak Thai, and then I'm gonna translate in English. And then for some of you guys that don't speak, don't listen through English, then you have your Chinese translator as well. Yes.
And so that was the amazing Vanon from Bangkok. I'll be leaving his information, Instagram, Facebook, etc. down below. So do check it out. So tomorrow, if I don't see you, I will ask you the same question I always ask you when I see you.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah.
ไหนนะ
Yes.
ดูมันไม่ค่อย
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์ศรีนทราอยุธยามหาดิลกภพนพรัตน์ราชธานีบุรีรัมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสมานอมรพิมานอวตารสถิตจักรพรรดิยะวิศรุกรรมประสิทธิ์
So that's the full name of Thailand. I'll give you 10 minutes to memorize that. Yeah.
Actually, Bangkok name, not Thai name. Bangkok city.
Okay. And so that was the name of the city of Bangkok.
Full name.
8 more minutes to memorize that.
It take a year.
Yes.